Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of goddess Şahmeran, renowned as the Turkish folklore goddess of transformation, wisdom, and hidden knowledge. Part 1. Significance of goddess Şahmeran. What does Şahmeran represent in mythology? Şahmeran holds great significance in mythology, representing a complex and captivating archetype. Şahmeran is a serpent-like creature with the upper body of a woman, symbolizing the merging of the human and animal realms. She embodies the duality of life, encompassing both light and darkness, wisdom and temptation. Şahmeran is associated with healing and transformation, serving as a bridge between the physical and spiritual realms. She holds the power to unveil hidden truths, providing insight and guidance to those who seek her wisdom. Şahmeran also embodies the strength and resilience found within the depths of one's being, reminding individuals of their own inherent power to overcome challenges and embrace personal growth. As a complex and enigmatic deity, Şahmeran invites contemplation on the deeper aspects of life and the mysteries that lie within ourselves. Part 2. Archetypal qualities of Şahmeran, the enigmatic serpent of transformation. Goddess Şahmeran embodies a captivating array of archetypal traits that resonate with the depths of transformation and healing. As a serpent-like creature with the upper body of a woman, she symbolizes the merging of the human and animal realms, highlighting the transformative power found within the union of these dual aspects. Şahmeran's archetype represents the journey of shedding old skin, embracing inner wisdom, and undergoing profound personal growth. She embodies the delicate balance between light and darkness, knowledge and temptation, serving as a guide through the shadows to uncover hidden truths and facilitate healing. With her enigmatic presence, Şahmeran beckons us to embrace the transformative potential within, to shed our limitations, and to embrace the serpentine path of growth and self-discovery. Part 3. Symbols associated with goddess Şahmeran, bridging the worlds of human and animal with serpent elegance. Şahmeran is often depicted as a serpent-like creature with the upper body of a woman, symbolizing her connection to both the human and animal realms. Serpents, in particular, hold deep symbolic meaning, representing transformation, wisdom, and healing. Plants associated with Şahmeran include herbs and flowers known for their medicinal properties, highlighting her role as a goddess of healing. Colors associated with her are often earthy tones, such as green and brown, representing the connection to nature and the grounding energy she brings. These symbols, animals, plants, and colors collectively evoke the profound archetype of Şahmeran, emphasizing her transformative and healing nature and the interplay between human and animal realms. Part 4. The story of goddess Şahmeran, the enigmatic goddess of Anatolia. Once, in the ancient land of Anatolia, there existed a small village nestled at the foot of a majestic mountain range. In this village, the legend of the enigmatic goddess Şahmeran was whispered through generations. Şahmeran was a captivating deity, part woman and part serpent, with a mesmerizing presence that drew both reverence and curiosity from the villagers. The village was surrounded by lush forests and flowing rivers, abundant with life and vibrant with colors. The people of the village lived in harmony with nature, seeking the wisdom and guidance of Şahmeran in their daily lives. They believed that she possessed the power to heal the body and soul, and her teachings were passed down through stories and rituals. Among the villagers, there lived a young man named Emre. He was filled with an insatiable thirst for knowledge and a burning desire to unravel the mysteries of the world. Intrigued by the tales of Şahmeran, Emre embarked on a quest to seek the goddess's presence and learn from her wisdom. Guided by the whispers of the villagers, Emre ventured deep into the heart of the forest. He navigated through towering trees and meandering streams, his heart filled with a sense of awe and anticipation. After days of wandering, he stumbled upon a hidden clearing, bathed in the soft glow of the moon. There, Emre found himself face to face with the radiant form of Şahmeran herself. The goddess's serpentine lower body coiled gracefully beneath her, while her upper body exuded an aura of wisdom and strength. Emre was captivated by the goddess's piercing gaze, as if the secrets of the universe lay within her eyes. With a voice that echoed with both gentleness and power, Şahmeran welcomed Emre and invited him to share in her wisdom. She spoke of the cycles of life, the importance of balance, and the transformative power of embracing one's true nature. Şahmeran taught Emre the ways of healing herbs, the harmony of the natural world, and the interconnectedness of all living beings. Days turned into weeks, and Emre immersed himself in Şahmeran's teachings. He grew in knowledge, wisdom, and compassion. He understood that the serpent aspect of Şahmeran symbolized transformation and shedding the old to make way for the new. Emre began to shed his doubts, fears, and limitations, embracing his true potential and the power that resided within him. As Emre bid farewell to Şahmeran, he returned to the village, carrying the goddess's teachings within his heart. He shared his newfound wisdom, healing those in need and guiding others on their paths of growth and self-discovery. Emre became a beacon of light, a living embodiment of the goddess's transformative power. Through the ages, the tale of Emre and Şahmeran echoed in the hearts of the villagers. The village prospered, and the presence of Şahmeran continued to be felt in the lives of those who sought her wisdom and healing. The legend of the goddess and her devoted disciple, Emre, became a testament to the power of transformation, the embrace of one's true nature, and the enduring connection between humanity and the divine. To this day, the spirit of Şahmeran lives on, inspiring individuals to shed their limitations, embrace their true selves, and become agents of healing and transformation. The legend of Şahmeran remains a reminder of the extraordinary potential that lies within each and every one of us, awaiting our discovery and awakening. Part 5. 3 strategies for personal transformation, tapping into the power of the Şahmeran archetype. Strategy 1. Exploring natural healing. Draw inspiration from Turkish traditions of herbal remedies and natural healing practices, which have been used for centuries. Research traditional Turkish herbs known for their medicinal properties, such as chamomile, sage, or lavender, and incorporate them into your daily routine. Engage in rituals of herbal infusions, aromatherapy, or herbal baths to promote relaxation, rejuvenation, and overall well-being. Strategy 2. Practicing Turkish bath rituals for purification. Inspired by Turkish bath traditions, incorporate the ritual of hammam into your self-care routine. Begin by creating a steamy environment, either by using a steam room or taking a hot shower. Cleanse your body with natural soap and exfoliate using a kis, traditional bath mitt. Embrace the warmth and steam as it purifies your body and relaxes your mind. Turkish bath rituals promote physical and mental well-being by improving circulation, reducing stress, and enhancing overall relaxation. Strategy 3. Practicing mindful eating inspired by Turkish cuisine. Embrace the tradition of mindful eating that is deeply ingrained in Turkish culture. Savor the flavors and textures of Turkish cuisine, paying attention to each bite and the sensations it elicits. Embrace the practice of gathering around the table with loved ones and engaging in meaningful conversations. Turkish culinary traditions emphasize the importance of nourishing both the body and the soul. Research traditional Turkish dishes and incorporate them into your meals. Incorporating a variety of wholesome ingredients such as fresh herbs, legumes, olive oil, and grilled meats or fish. Mindful eating practices have been shown to enhance well-being, improve digestion, and foster a healthier relationship with food. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields, interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps. 1. Find a quiet and serene space, preferably outdoors in nature or near a body of water. 2. Create an altar or sacred space adorned with items that symbolize Şahmeran and her qualities, such as serpentine imagery, natural elements, and objects that represent transformation and healing. 3. Light candles or incense to set a sacred atmosphere, and gather any additional materials you feel called to incorporate, such as herbs, crystals, or offerings. 4. Stand before the altar or sacred space, facing the direction that feels most aligned with Şahmeran's energy. You may choose east, west, or a direction associated with serpentine symbolism. 5. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and center yourself in the present moment. Ground your energy by imagining roots extending from your feet into the earth. 6. Begin the invocation by addressing Şahmeran in your own words or using a traditional prayer. Express your reverence and gratitude, inviting her presence into the ritual and acknowledging her wisdom and healing power. 7. Select a symbolic offering to present to Şahmeran as a token of your respect and connection. It could be a personal item, a written prayer, or an object that holds significance to you. Hold the offering in your hands, infusing it with your intentions, love, and gratitude. 8. Find a comfortable seated position near the altar or in nature. Close your eyes, relax your body, and focus on your breath. Allow your mind to quiet and your heart to open. 9. Open yourself to receive insights, guidance, or healing from Şahmeran. Be receptive to any messages, sensations, or images that may arise during this connection. 10. When you feel ready, express your gratitude to Şahmeran for her presence, guidance, and blessings. Offer words of thanks for the connection and the wisdom received. 11. Take a moment to sit in silence, absorbing the energy of the ritual and integrating its significance into your being. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Express a final word of gratitude, gently extinguish the candles or incense, and release any residual energy. A final message, words of wisdom from Şahmeran. Wisdom is a lifelong journey, where each lesson learned becomes a stepping stone towards greater understanding. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.